When we record our screen inside Camtasia Studio, the Camtasia Studio offers us cursor effects. We can make the cursor bigger, we can highlight the cursor, we can add double right click or left click effects, and there are so many effects which Camtasia offers us, but we cannot do that if we recorded the screen inside some other software. We can only do that if we have recorded the screen using Camtasia Studio. So you need to take care of this one little thing. So let's go to the computer screen and let me show you the cursor effects and cursor effects. Now cursor effects, you cannot add cursor effects if you have recorded the screen in some other software. You can only add cursor effects if you have recorded in the software. So let me delete this and this too and go to the media and bring in the footage that I recorded. Let me delete this one. Audio, I just need video for now. Now there is mouse on the screen. I will select this and go to the cursor effects. Now I can change the cursor color, like cursor color to yellow to red. I can make this red. I can scale it up, make the cursor bigger. Now you can see cursor is big. Now there are some part where it clicks. I can add cursor glow or cursor highlight. You can see where will cursor go. It will add a small yellow highlight add area, or I can add cursor magnify. The part where will be cursor is, I can delete the cursor color, cursor highlight, and only the magnification. The part where is the cursor, it will be magnified. Let me make this bigger like this. So you can see that is default VPC. So you can see it is perfect for screen recording tutorials, as I have already told you. You can change the cursor to from here like this, no cursor, this cursor, this cursor, this cursor. There are so many options here. Let me delete the cursor magnify, cursor smoothing. Like if I know I was recording a tutorial, I was randomly moving the cursor, I can smooth this one out so it doesn't look like that. I can now, as you can see, cursor is very smooth. It is not going here and there like that, like it was going before. It has added edits. So when you add these things to the video, your video becomes much more professional. Cursor spotlight, gradient, kinetic, and now there are the cursor effects. When you click, you want to add cursor effect, right click. Let me show you here, ring like sick, and on there are right click and left click, right click and left click. So I want to do rings here too. So like this, whenever I will click somewhere, you will see the rings. Width, let me improve. Now let's show you. As you can see, now you can see it very clearly. Whenever I will click on something, it will create rings. So you can add these tweaks to make your video even more professional. You can add the sound too. Like if I click and drag this here, whenever I will do the right click in anywhere in my video, it will also add the sound click or tick in the video. So that's how the cursor effects works. I hope you like this part of the Camtasia Studio. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Danik signing off. Goodbye.